I've got my two budgies here with me today. And yes, I'm still in my PJs. This is my very mature female budgie. Her name's Daisy. You can see why. She's a nice daisy coloured yellow. And my other one, Cloud, has been a pain in the butt. I have to try catch him first before you guys can see why his name is Cloud. No. And he's camera shy, obviously. And now they're both flying around. Bloody pain in the butt. You're not helping. I wish they were more helpful and would work with me. But no, I have to catch them. They are there. If you can see them, Cloud's the white one, Daisy's yellow. As you know, because she was sitting on my shoulder. Okay. I've got Cloud. Hopefully he doesn't try to bite me. Okay, so this here is Cloud. He's a bit of a pain in the butt times, but he's a good boy. Now to try and catch Daisy. Come here, you little brat. You're not funny, Daisy. Okay. She's caught. If you want to know what that squawking is, it's Daisy. She's a squawker. Okay, so these are my two budgies. Daisy's a female, and she's the older one. She's a fully grown female. And this is Cloud. He's a young male. You probably won't be able to see his blue nose, but I will do another video when Cloud's much older, so you can see his blue nose. But yeah, Cloud's the male. And they do both sit on my shoulder. If I sit up, well, stand up. So there's Daisy, and there's Cloud. You can see he has kind of bluish greyish markings on him and some grey markings. That's the reason why he's called Cloud. Because clouds can be grey, they can be white, and there can be bits of blue in between the clouds. So that's why Cloud's called Cloud. Pretty good name for him, I know. I've had a yellow one before, Daisy, but that is zonks ago, like heaps of years ago. She or he flew away. I can't remember if it was a male or female, but the name of the bird was named Sunny because it was a nice sunny yellow. Daisy, she's like a nice daisy yellow. She's got bits of white on the tips of her wings. yeah, so these are my two budgies, Daisy and Cloud. If you're wondering who my original budgies were in the my budgies in Love video, well, that was my other pair who sadly got sick from the old cage. I don't know what it was with the old cage, but something on or in the old cage made them sick, so sadly they passed away, which I was very sad about. They were very sweet birds, much easier to tame than these two. And by that I mean they tamed a lot quicker. So I was sad to see them go. And then I had a nice light blue budgie after them. I named him Sky because he was like a sky blue. Sadly, I didn't make a video of him before he passed away. He died the same way Stacy and Blue died. So, yeah, I am not too happy about that. And these two budgies on my shoulder, Daisy and Cloud, they're very flinchy, as in flighty. If you put your hands anywhere near them, they will start to fly around. We are in my room now. If you're wondering why it's so dim in lighting, it's because the curtains are closed to keep the budgies calm, since they're a species of parrot, and parrots can be hunted by birds of prey like eagles and hawks. Funny thing though, the wild budgies are green with yellow heads. So, yeah. You'll find the green ones flying around in the outbacks of Australia. But these guys are just normal pet ones. If you find any of them on the street, help them out. But as you approach them, talk to them carefully and calmly, or they might just try to fly away. And I've got a story to go with that. This is a really long time ago too. Way before I had Blue and Stacy and Sky and Daisy and Cloud. Well, I was riding my bike out the front of my street and I found this multicolored budgie. He was pretty young and he was quite grateful when I rescued him. I brought him home, I looked after him, but sadly, not even up to the sad part yet. Why am I saying sadly? He had a peck mark on his head in the shape of a triangle, probably from some wild birds attacking him or something. He was lucky to still be alive. And after a few days, that patch cleared up. He grew feathers on it. But, yeah. And funny thing, like most bird owners, I like to bring him into the bathroom with me while I'm having my bath. And he was that in love with me that he tried to get to me, but he fell in the water, so I had to save him from drowning. He was soaked, but he was okay. But one night, I didn't remembered to put him in his cage. So what happened? He went under the blankets and suffocated. I was very sad about him dying as well. He was a sweet bird, really sweet. I did not have to tame him or anything. He was already tamed, and he showed me gratitude for saving his life. So keep that in mind. If any of yous out there find a pet budgie who has gotten lost and who's attacked and who's on the side of the road, pick them up, approach them slowly and calmly. Otherwise, the budgie might freak out and try to fly off. So just talk in a calm voice like this. Tell them that you're there to help them. And if you want, you can just grab it. But do it at a calm pace. Like, I could probably do it with my budgie Daisy, if she doesn't fly off, but yep, she's flying around, and pretty soon Cloud's going to probably join her. Hey, Cloud? Yeah, and I just hope Cloud and Daisy don't die. So, thing that I did to stop my birds that I've been getting from dying was to get them a new cage. The old cage was the problem that was killing all my sweet birds that I had before Daisy and Cloud. And I've got someone ringing the doorbell. Great.
What's going on, Buff? A little bit.
Oh.
You going away? Yeah. When? Tomorrow morning. How long? Week. Monday to Monday. So she's feeding.
Yeah. She come over the other day. Yeah, so she good.
So you know what to do over there?
Mhm.
Just in that key there.
Yeah.
That one. You go through the side gate. There's a padlock on it. It's on top of it. Have to undo that one, and then that's the back door.
Righto.
That's it. All the cat food's right at the back door.
Yeah, the back door is a sliding door.
In and out, whatever. They go out when she goes to shut the doors, let them stay out.
And then try get them in before night.
Oh, it doesn't matter. If they want to, if they eat, and they just stay in there, just let them. And then just the next day, just go there and let them out.
So the kids will be right for a week. So what you want her over there morning and night?
Oh, just
Goes over in the morning, just opens it up and let them out or whatever. When do they normally get fed? Night.
When a major partnership was signed in
They get fed once a day.
to offset emissions at their LNG gas plant near Darwin.
Righto.
So offsetting the emissions that they were releasing, so abating up to 100,000 tonnes of greenhouse gas emissions from this project each year to help them offset, and that was a condition.
Hey Matt, wanna come in and check out my budgies? They're flying around in the bedroom at the moment.
Just environment and even
You could have a closer look at them now since they're out of the cage.
I haven't been too busy today.
Just one of my neighbours. So yeah. Just keep what I've said about birds in mind. If you have a budgie, just leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you like this video, like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Okay, bye.